first plate having charge plus q, and this is second plate having charge minus q, and distance between them is your x. Consider a parallel plate capacitor with a plane area A. Let area of this plate is A. Suppose a positive charge plus q is given on the plate 1 and negative charge minus q is given to the other plate. The electric field due to the plate is equal to E is equals to sigma to epsilon naught, where sigma is equals to charge density, this is q by A. That means you can write here this is q by A, so you can write this is q to A epsilon naught. This is the electric field due to positive plate. At all points, the electric field due to the positive plate is E equals sigma to epsilon naught, where sigma is equals to charge density q by A. Put q by A here, q by 2A epsilon naught. This is the electric field due to positive plate at all points. If the plate is very large, the negative charge minus q is on the other plate and it finds itself in the field of positive charge. Therefore, the force on the plate is equal to F is equals to, this is q into E. That means you can write here q, and this is q, put here this value q 2A epsilon naught. That means this is q square by 2A epsilon naught. Here F is equals to, this is q 2A epsilon naught. Now this is the force, and this force is attractive in nature. Now see here spherical capacitor, and what will be the capacitance of this spherical capacitor? This is here two concentric sphere. First one is this, let its radius is A, small a, and this is bigger one and its radius is your B, let, and this is another concentric sphere, and this is Gaussian surface. This is Gaussian surface, and here bigger cell is earth. This is earth, so this is the symbol of earth here, and this is smaller part of a sphere, and this is bigger part. Here the spherical capacitor consists of two concentric spherical cells of radius A and B. Here B is greater than A, radius B is greater than A. The outer cell is earth. This is earth here. Place a charge plus q on the inner cell. Plus q charge. This is plus q charge, plus. This is plus q charge on the inner cell. It will reside on the outer of the shell. It will reside on the outer of the cell, and a charge minus q will be induced on the inner surface of the outer cell. Minus q charge will be induced on the inner surface of outer cell. A charge plus q will flow from outer shell to earth. Consider a Gaussian surface whose radius is r and r is greater than A, less than B. From Gauss's law, the electric field at a distance r greater than A is given by E is equals to here q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by r square. This is the electric field. Now potential difference. Potential difference is equals to VB minus VA, and this is equals to minus E dr, and integration from A to B. And here now put the value of q. That means you can write VB minus VA is equals to negative A to B, and this is q by 4 pi epsilon naught and into 1 by r square, and this is dr. Now VB is equals to 0. VB is 0 because it is earth. So VA is equals to this sign will change. That means you can write here A to B. This is q by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is 1 by r square dr. A to B Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square dr. Now you have to integrate this. This is constant term. तो constant term को हम बाहर कर देते हैं. This is 4 pi epsilon naught and this is 1 by R square dr A to B. Now integrate this. Integration of 1 by R square, you can write minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. That means minus 1 by minus 1. That means minus 1 by R. You can write here. That means this is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught and this is equals to here minus 1 by R and limit this is A to B. Now substitute the limit here. This you will get VA equals Q by 4 pi epsilon naught and this is epsilon naught and this is minus 1 by B and this will be plus 1 by A. That means this is VA is equals to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught and this is 1 by A minus 1 by B. Taking LCM, you will get this is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught and this is B minus A divided by AB. This is the term. Therefore, capacitance, you know capacitance C is equals to Q VA minus VB and here VB is 0. That means you can write here VA minus 0. This is Q by VA and VA is here given and you can write this is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught and this is B minus A by AB. That means you can cancel out. That means this is equals to here 4 pi epsilon naught AB divided by B minus A. This is the capacitance of spherical capacitor. Consists of two concentric spherical conducting shell having radius A and B.